the tricky tick, and the picky chick. The tick on a stick. A tick on a stick had to pick between a cow, a pig, and a chick. The cow, she would lick. The pig, he would kick. So the tick jumped onto the chick. The tick does a trick. The very quick tick did a trick. With nothing but a flick and a kick. He jumped back on the stick and flipped onto a brick. This tick was really quite slick. The tick gets sick. The tick got a nick from his trick, and that made the tick very sick. His legs got too thick. His mouth wouldn't click. Now the tick regretted his trick. But the chick ate it up. The end.